Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo A5 Pro to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then you need to hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!